Hello, happy Thursday to everyone of us. Happy weekends. Now this one is additional more mga putos. Okay, tingnan mo si Sisi before. She's watching while she's lay down the carpet. Ayan yung kumot. That's what she want. Ay, nako. She's a little girl before. Oh, she do what she want. And this one is the nanny. Ginoo ko si nanny. Pawala sa stress si nanny. Hello, nanny. Pa-stress si nanny. Pawala sa stress si nanny. Oh, ayan, pawala sa stress si nanny. That is nanny. She is Nanny Grace Fee. She is Nanny. Oh, ayan na naman si Sisi. Oh, look, oh. That's what she do. She make kumot down. Oh, and she want to lay down. And then she is the one to lay down or the doll. They lay down together. That's what they are doing. Okay. That one is mga previous sa mga photos. Oh, ayan din si Nani, oh. Hello, Nani. Ano pa yun ano ba yung time na yun? Yung lockdown. Look si Nani. Oh, that is Nani. Oh, ganun si Nani. Oh, ayan si Nani, oh. Oh. Ano to, yung before na accommodation ng mga Lotsi ladies, mga Lotsi girl working in the Lotsi salon. Oh. That is the original beauty face of the nanny. Oh. That is except the kilay, just the kilay. Okay. Kilay is life nga daw. Okay, ayan. Kaming dalawa yan eh. Oh, video yan eh. Kaming dalawa ni Melissa. Doon din yan sa accommodation before. Ayon si Ellen. Before yan eh, before. Ayan. Before pa yan. Oh, ayan naman si Sisi. She just playing. Oh. Me also, I make photo or video while she is playing. Because sometimes she want to play only alone. I want to play alone. Okay. Okay, I make video and photo for you. For our souvenir. Oh, yan. Oh. Ayan. Kaming dalawa. Oh. That's what we are doing only. If we are only together in the house. Oh, that's what we do. Any what we do. Any what we can do. Okay. At least I can download this one and to make delete na so that I have space to make another video, new video, especially now weekends. Who knows if they bring me to outside also. Oh, I can make it. Oh. And I download na this one. I wish that I can download. Oh. That one is before pa. 2022 pa nga nakalagay sa Christmas tree. Ay, nako talaga ang buhay. O, diba, kumakain kami ng samon. Nakali down, kumakain kami ng samon na hot samon. Oh, nakilay down. Oh, that's what we're doing always. Oh, even before until now. Ayan si Nani. Ayan na naman si Nani. Nani ni Celine. It depends on my hair. It depends on the color. Oh, ayan oh. Ganun ka-worse yung hair namin hair ni Nani. Oh, diba? Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Oh, ayan doon sa accommodation yan before. Thank you again, nationwide, worldwide, to different countries, to different people in this world. Shout out to all of us, and more blessings. Oh, ayan, marunong na siyang mag-alo-alo telepon from the beginning. And shout out to all subscriber of mine, to all viewers, to all supporters of the YouTube channel. Some of them that you are watching of my videos, some of viewers, don't forget to subscribe, likes, and comments. Thank you very much talaga. And to those, some mga vlogger that you are helping for me from the beginning until now, that you are still connected, and me also, me and connected to their channel, and some of them also I may connect with them. So thank you very much of your mga supporters there in your video or in your channel, that they subscribe also to me, and they protect naman, they support on also to me. Okay, thank you again. Oh, ayan, Yela, bye and God bless us all. Happy New Year, Chinese people in this world, sa different countries na nag-stay residence na ang mga citizen ng mga Chinese. Okay, Happy New Year and Happy New Year, and bye.